As.a.w. warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This question asked on the WhatsApp. My name is Trina. I am from Bangladesh. Is there any place, book, site, course where you have stored your vast knowledge? I want to get a copy of your memory. I am going to gather all your books and going to get a subscription of Al-Hidayah inshallah to enrich myself as a Muslim, hoping that you have put all your knowledge and studies in this Dawah training program. A similar question was posed on the YouTube from a brother in Ethiopia. Sorry, it's not from Ethiopia. This is Musjiso Dusho. From Musjiso Dusho. Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Zakir. My name is Abdi Mahat from Somalia. I want all your debates from beginning until now. So where can I get them? The question posed on the WhatsApp and the question posed on the YouTube is similar, that where can they get all my material, my lectures, my talks, my debates, my question answer session, my books, etc. And the question on the WhatsApp was, they want my memory. They can't get my memory, but they can surely get my talks, my lectures, my debates, my interviews, as well as my question answer session. The best platform where all of these videos are available is the Al-Hidayah platform. As far as the videos are concerned, of my lectures, of my question answer session, of my interviews, of my courses, of my all these sessions that are happening, Ask Dr. Zakir, the Dare to Ask, all these, majority in one place. It's available on the YouTube, it's there on the Facebook, but difficult to gather them all and searching, etc. The best platform is Al-Hidayah platform. And the Al-Hidayah platform has got three levels. The basic level, which is the 240p. This basic of 240p is free for everyone. If you want the higher version, that is the 540p, or the premium version, which is the high definition, or 2K or 4K, then there is a subscription fee for that. But for the entry level, for 240p, it's free for everyone. So Al-Hidayah platform is a good platform for you to have all the videos of mine, whether lecture, debate, TV talks, and it's very well classified. When in YouTube it's difficult. You go on my YouTube channel, you can see the videos, but it's difficult to classify. On this, it's classified, whether it's a debate, whether it's a lecture, whether it's a question and session, whether it's a topic on science, whether it's on Tawheed. It's classified, and searching is very easy. So hundreds of my lectures are there. Thousands of my hours of video are there in this. And if you want the text of my lectures and question answer session, most of them are available on my website, zakirnaik.com. So if you type zakirnaik.com, you'll go to my website, and in the website section, if you go to the section of lectures, you'll find the scripts of all my lectures there. If you go to the section of question answers, the script of all my question answers is there. So if you want the written script verbatim, you will find it on my website, zakirnaik.com. If you want the videos, you'll find in Al-Hidayah, even the courses. And there's a course called a Dawah training program. It is voluminous, it is huge. It's supposed to be in 140 parts, out of which we just started, and we release one part a month. Each part is for about 1.5 or 2 hours, 3 hours. So every month we'll release one part because of the limited resources that we have in editing and checking. Because of my time schedule is busy, so we release one course every month. So far I think there are 10 courses already released on the Al-Hidayah platform, and these courses also have study guides. So if you see these courses, advantages besides the videos, there are transcripts available of my speeches, of my question and answer session, and there are study guides. The study guide, what does it do? It has the gist of the full talk, but very well designed. Maybe generally of the other speakers, it may have maybe 50% or 33% to 50% of the content in a study guide, so that it's attractive and very well designed. And the script has all details, the word verbatim. But the study guide is made more attractive by graphics and by photographs and the main material of the speech. So the best platform is Al Hidayah, as well as my website, zakirnaik.com.